Hi everyone. Imagine waking up one morning, opening your laptop, and seeing a bright red screen telling you that all your files, your family photos, your tax returns, your company's entire database have been encrypted. A hacker is demanding thousands of dollars in Bitcoin to give them back. In the world of cybersecurity, this isn't just a nightmare. It's a daily reality for thousands. But there is one superpower that can make this threat disappear: the backup. Today, we're diving deep into what a backup really is, why it's your absolute last line of defense, and the professional strategies you need to use to stay safe. Simply put, a backup is a digital insurance policy. It's the process of creating a copy of your data and storing it in a separate, secure location. But in cybersecurity, it's more than just saving a file. It's about resilience. If your primary system fails due to a hardware crash, a natural disaster, or a malicious cyber attack, a backup allows you to time travel back to a moment when your data was safe and healthy. Without a backup, a single mistake or a single virus can mean the permanent end of your digital life or your business. Not all backups are created equal. Let's break down the three main types. First, we have the full backup. Think of this as taking a photo of your entire house. It copies everything. It's the safest, but it takes a lot of time and storage space. Next is the incremental backup. Instead of a whole new photo of the house, you only take a picture of the new chair you bought today. It only saves the data that has changed since the last backup. It's super fast, but if you need to restore your data, you have to piece all those small photos back together. Finally, there's the differential backup. This saves everything that has changed since the last full backup. It's a middle ground, faster to restore than incremental, but uses more space. If you remember only one thing from this video, let it be the 3-2-1 rule. This is the gold standard for security professionals. 3. Keep at least 3 copies of your data, the original and 2 backups. 2. Use 2 different types of media. For example, don't keep both backups on the same USB drive. Use one external hard drive and one cloud service. 1. Keep one copy off-site. This means if your office or home has a fire or a flood, your data is safe in another building or in the cloud. Ideally, this copy should be air-gapped, disconnected from the network so hackers can't reach it. Let's look at why this matters. Imagine a hospital. A ransomware attack locks every patient record. If they don't have a backup, they might have to pay millions or, worse, lose lives. But with an immutable backup, a backup that cannot be deleted or changed, they can simply wipe their systems and restore the data in hours. Or think of a software developer who accidentally deletes a massive database. By using point-in-time recovery, they can restore the database to exactly how it looked at 10:14 a.m., just 60 seconds before the mistake happened. That is the power of a modern backup system. Before we go, remember 2 terms, RPO and RTO. RPO is how much data you can afford to lose. Is it 1 hour's worth or 1 day's? RTO is how fast you need to be back online. Setting up a backup might feel like a chore, but in the face of a cyber attack, it's the difference between a minor speed bump and a total catastrophe. Thanks for watching. Would you like me to show you exactly how to set up an automated, encrypted backup for your specific computer? Let me know in the comments.